gauche. So this is a very much needed coffee table. This is actually red oak, believe it or not, but we used Rubio monocoat on it, so it looks like white oak now. A ton of miters. This was like really, really hard and very frustrating, but we're super happy with the end result. So we have the big chunky legs, which I feel like that's kind of our staple thing. The floating top, it's perfect size in here, you know, all the good stuff. I feel like it kind of flows with everything, and then, you know, you can kind of sit down and, oh no, I can't put my feet up. Have you ever seen a 6 foot tall woman look this short? What do we do? Hot damn, feet rest. We knew this was going to be a problem. We didn't want to make the coffee table any bigger, and we also knew how much we like to put our feet up, and maybe our guests will too. So we built these. This fabric is actually the same fabric we used on the bed, and they just slide in and out. And you want to show them? We may or may not have put hydraulics on this big ass coffee table, so we can fit people in here, blankets, these, you know, whatever. Good shit. Lots of fun. Thank you for watching. Per usual, we love